welcome back to Beautiful Memories channel. Today you can see my fenugreek which I had planted in a container. It is ready. This fenugreek vegetable, methi bhaji, it is ready. So I'm going to do the harvest with this. And from my last vlog you have seen how to grow the methi, fenugreek leafy vegetable. And in this vlog I'll be showing you how we are going to do the harvest of this vegetable. This is the integral part of our balcony garden. All around the year, every week I have this fresh leafy vegetables right from our balcony garden. And methi is a very rich source of vitamins and minerals and rich in iron, and it's a very healthy vegetable. So today I'll be sharing with you all like how we are going to harvest. This leaves are ready for harvest. You can see there are the divisions of the leaf, and also they have started to getting a little bit of yellow color. So that means this vegetable is perfect and ready for harvesting now. So from my experience I have seen that this leafy vegetable methi, fenugreek, from the seed it takes about 3 to 5 days or maximum 1 week to germinate and grow to this stage, and complete the vegetable it forms in around 10 days. So every week when you harvest, every week you will have the fresh vegetable. Now growing your own vegetable, it gives me a lot of sense of peace, satisfaction, and it also is very organic and bio. This I had planted in the container and it is ready to harvest, and it has grown very beautifully. So it's all ready for this methi vegetable. So I'm going to show you even after harvesting how to make the methi vegetable, fenugreek vegetable. I'm sure you all know it, how to make it. So I want to harvest this fenugreek now, and quickly I'll show you this recipe of methi vegetable. You can make this just in 15-10 minutes. It's very easy, and this is my mother's recipe. So let's go and harvest here. Come with me, and you can see it's beautifully grown, this vegetable. I'm so happy. This was like every summer we grow this methi in these pots and in containers, and this is a perfect plant for you can plant if you're in leafy vegetables, if you're living in a balcony. So this is perfect plant for a vegetable gardening. Do plant this and do try this. Let's go for harvesting. Come with me. In fact, when you're cutting, always cut it with a very delicate hands. Don't pull the roots out, just cut it superficially. Keep 2 to 3 centimeters so that again the vegetable will grow. And you can see, in fact I don't like to cut like this the plant, but it's vegetable, we have to cut.
ba 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 ba
are harvesting like this, the roots will also come out. So it's normal. Don't worry, it's okay. But yeah, you can just keep the 2 to 3 centimeters length like this, and smells good. So you can see you keep the roots like this. You can keep the roots like this so that they will grow again. So all this harvest is done. It's almost, I think, 2 पेंड्या म्हणजे किती असणार? 2 bunches, small bunches, and I'm going to utilize these stems also for the vegetable. So yeah, so you can use these tender stems also for the vegetable, and it's very tasty. It smells tasty, and the actual methi vegetable. So in fact, me and my husband, we both love green leafy vegetables, all the green leafy vegetables. There is not one single green leafy vegetables that we don't like. He's laughing, holding the camera. But yeah, that is true. Even our mothers, they know it, that, you know, like we both of us, we love green leafy vegetable. And methi is one of our favorite green leafy vegetable. So yeah, we are excited to, you know, cultivate this home, and it smells nice. And feels good also, cultivating your own vegetables at home in such a small space, and it's nice. So after every harvest, and I utilize this homemade eggshells powder. So just after every harvest, put this eggshell powder and water them, so they will grow again, and again you can have a second harvest. Show this. This eggshell harvest is very good, and it's easily available in our home also. So even you can try this, and after this just water the harvest. So yeah, that's it. It's done. Come, let us prepare this methi vegetable in my mother's style. So I have taken this methi vegetable. I have washed it and chopped it, and yeah. So here for the vegetable we need these onions, and this is a red lentil. Instead of this you can use a mutton keema also, which is usually prepared in my home. So these red lentils, I have soaked it in water, warm water, and kept it, so, and drained the water. So you can use this. This is just to add the flavor of this lentil, add the volume also of the vegetable, and also to reduce the little bit bitterness of this vegetable. Then here is the red onions, tomatoes, this is the garlic, and green chilies. It depends how much you want the spicy level. So yeah, this is it. That's it you need. These are the lentils, onion, tomato, and lots of green chilies and garlic, and the chopped methi. Now take a large kadai, non-stick kadai, and add a oil in it. So you can take 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil, any oil you can take, and then once the oil is hot, then you add first the garlics. Then you can make this garlic dark brown or just slightly sauteed and add green chilies. I like it like this, just a slight saute of garlic and then add lots of green chilies. I like it spicy. So saute this garlic and green chilies really well on a high flame. Then add onions. I have taken 1.5 onion. So saute this onion, don't burn it into brown color, just translucent to medium, and then add 1 to 1.5 tomatoes. I really like tomatoes. So mix this everything, all this mixture on a high flame and saute this very well. Now once the tomato starts getting mushy, add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So this is the homemade red chili powder and it's very spicy. Now add these soaked red lentils into this mixture and give it a mix and give it a nice stir and add very little water. Just little water so that the dal soaks, and cover the lid and then let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now once the dal is cooked, add the methi vegetable. This will take no time in cooking. Don't add any water. Just cover the lid and in the steam all this methi vegetable will be cooked and it will be ready. So just steam it for about 5 minutes with this mixture and the vegetable will be ready. Just steam for 5 minutes, not more than that. Here it is, our favorite lunch is ready, that is dal rice, methi vegetable, and those are the sardines and mango pickle. This is dal rice, moong dal and rice. You can see the rice layer here. Dal and rice. This is the methi vegetable with masoor dal, mango pickle, and sardine fry. So this is the lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video of the cultivating your own methi and fenugreek here in the balcony garden in one of the containers. And I hope you enjoy the methi vegetable recipe also, and also the methi chicken. I will show you the recipe. Okay, so hope you like it. So until next time, I want to see you all in my next vlog. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Happy gardening and cultivate a lot of vegetables, green leafy vegetables in your balcony garden. Even if you have a small space, you can still grow these beautiful vegetables, and in a very short time. This is one of my favorite vegetable, and it grows very nice, and in short time it grows, in fact. So it's one of the best vegetable to cultivate.